And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
It was a gloomy and wet day across northeast Wisconsin, but the sun is coming back tomorrow, along with much colder temperatures. Highs on Wednesday and Thursday will only be in the teens, and of course that does not include the wind chill factor. But after that, another huge warm-up heads our way. Look for highs in the 30s and 40s. As we head through next weekend into the following week. Right now we are looking at temperatures that are still above freezing in a few spots. It's 34 degrees in Fond du Lac. We've got 34 in Manitowoc. It is currently 34 in Wapaka. North of Green Bay, it is colder, and that's why we still have that freezing rain advisory in place. Should actually be in place for Door County as well, where temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 20s. Currently in Green Bay, we've got overcast conditions. A little bit of fog out there and some lingering drizzle. The temperature is 33 degrees. In Appleton, we're looking at more of the same. Earlier today in Appleton, the visibility was way down to around a quarter of a mile or less. We had patchy, dense fog across most of east central Wisconsin, but now, as some drier air starts to work in from the west, those visibilities are going up. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar showing a big cluster of heavy rain moving across the southeastern half of the viewing area earlier this morning, lingering into the afternoon. On the northwest side of it, we saw some mixing. There was a little bit of sleet and some freezing rain at times. This evening, we're watching still some patchy light rain and freezing rain, mainly north of Green Bay, slowly transitioning over to some flurries and snow showers. All of this is being turned on by an area of low pressure which is really starting to come together now east of Wisconsin. The fact that it's coming together east of Wisconsin means that the impact on us wasn't as huge as it could have been. Now behind the system, much colder weather is now pouring in from Canada. Temperatures to our west this afternoon running 15 to 25 degrees colder today compared to yesterday. Look at these high temperatures across Minnesota, South Dakota, and North Dakota, only in the single digits and teens. And that colder weather is heading into northeast Wisconsin. We'll see lower 30s here or upper 20s to lower 30s for the next several hours. Then the winds will really start to pick up and that colder weather will work in from the north and west. High temperatures tomorrow will be a good 15 to almost 20 degrees colder than what we saw this afternoon. But we're going to see a lot of sunshine. As you take a look at Skycast, you can see a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Even colder weather for Thursday, highs only in the upper single digits to lower teens and with gusty winds. Thursday morning, wind chills will be in the teens to around 20 degrees below zero, but this is a short blast of cold air because warm air is starting to build once again to our west, and we're going to see that warmth overspread the Great Lakes as we head through the weekend and beyond. So your forecast for tonight calls for that PM light wintry mix, and then we'll see the winds crank up as skies start to clear. Overnight lows will be in the lower teens. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, but much colder. High temperatures only around 18 degrees. Our normal high is in the mid to upper 20s. 12 degrees for a high on Thursday, but 100% possible sunshine. As we warm up on Friday, we'll see a wintry mix develop across the area. Upper 30s to lower 40s on Saturday with a mixture of sunshine and clouds, and then it looks like upper 30s to lower 40s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Another wintry mix is possible on Sunday as well.
Big changes by the end of the week.
Yeah, sturgeon spearing Saturday. Highs in the lower 40s. That's not what you want to hear.
Yeah, not good for those spears.
No.
All right, thanks, Cameron. Now let's take a look at what you'll see tonight at 6 o'clock. Stacey